In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Smartsheet plan. We'll walk through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look out for. By the end of this video, you'll be confident about changing your plan directly from your Smartsheet account without hunting through menus or getting lost in the interface. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and you're on any main page or sheet. You don't need a specific sheet open for this, but being on a familiar screen makes it easier to follow along. To start, look towards the lower left-hand corner of your Smartsheet window. Here, you should see your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might appear as your initials inside a circle, a generic user icon, or a small profile picture if you've uploaded one. This area is your personal account hub, and it's where Smartsheet keeps key options related to your account and plan. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you do, a small menu will appear, usually sliding up or popping out from that corner. Take a second to look at the options that appear. This menu can include items like personal settings, sign out, and most importantly for us, the option to upgrade your plan. From this menu, find and click on the option labeled Upgrade Plan. This is the gateway to changing your subscription level. When you select it, Smartsheet will redirect you to the upgrade or billing page where you can review the different plans available to you. On the upgrade page, you'll typically see a comparison of plan types, such as individual, team, or enterprise level options, along with their features and pricing. This is a good moment to pause and think about what you actually need. Consider how many people will be using Smartsheet with you, what kinds of permissions or controls you want, and whether you need advanced features like more automations or integrations. Although the detailed selection and payment steps can vary slightly depending on your region or current subscription, the key action that never changes is what we just did. Accessing the upgrade options by clicking your profile icon, then choosing Upgrade Plan. Once you've reviewed the plans and made your choice, you can follow the on-screen prompts to complete your upgrade. And that's all there is to starting the upgrade process in Smartsheet. Click your profile icon in the lower left, then click on Upgrade Plan to move into the subscription options that best